When you switch to Spectrum Mobile, you get unlimited for $29.99 a month per line for 2 or more lines.
The National Weather Service in Corpus Christi has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Webb County in south-central Texas until 11 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 10:01 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Ranchos Penitas West, or 8 miles northwest of Laredo, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard: tennis ball-size hail and 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. Impact: people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Laredo, Rio Bravo, El Cenizo, Texas A&M, Laredo International Airport, Unitec Industrial Park, Ranchos Penitas West, United South High School, St. Augustine High School, South Laredo, Doctors Hospital of Laredo, Laredo Country Club, Laredo Community College, Orville, Bottoms, and Ranquitos Las Lomas. This includes the following highways: Interstate 35 between mile markers 1 and 18. U.S. Highway 59 between mile markers 812 and 824. U.S. Highway 83 between mile markers 718 and 734. Prepare immediately for large hail and damaging winds. People outside should move immediately to shelter inside a strong building. Stay away from windows. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning.
When it inspires.